Now you guys can buy Walmart gift cards with up to 50% discount. But why you should use discounted price gift cards? You should use it to save money and make profit. Like if Walmart item price is $100 and you bought $100 balanced Walmart gift card with 40% discount, means you just pay $60 for $100 balanced gift card. Then you can save up to $40 on $100 item purchase. And that's a lot. Which is the most trusted website to buy discounted price gift cards? How to buy a Walmart gift card online? Is it safe or not? In this video, I will answer your all questions. So please keep watching this video till end. Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine and well. Those watching me first time, I'm Zain Ahmad from EasyTeachWF YouTube channel, back again with the new informative video. In this video, I will show you guys how to buy Walmart gift cards online with up to 50% discount. Which one is the most trusted website to buy discounted price gift cards? Is it safe or not? Before walking head towards our topic, I want to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest uploads from our channel. 𝗥𝗲𝗆 is the most trusted website. It's good for those who want to purchase Walmart gift cards at discounted price. Not only Walmart gift cards, in fact here you can buy many other gift cards with lots of discounts. Let's check it out.
This is 𝗥𝗲𝗆. Please log in it first. If you didn't sign up before, then please check out the link from the video description below to sign up. Now let me explain how it works. On this website, we can buy discounted price gift cards with cryptocurrency. Means if you have Bitcoin, USDT, Tether or Ethereum, then you can purchase from here. If you don't have cryptocurrency, then don't worry, you can buy it from here. If you have cryptocurrency on any other exchange, then you can transfer it to 𝗥𝗲𝗆 wallet. I don't recommend you to put big amounts at a time when you're just getting started. Let's suppose we have Bitcoin, so let's see how we can buy Walmart gift cards from here. After login, click gift card hub, click buy with Bitcoin. Type gift card name. I'll write Walmart gift card. Here we can see offers. He's offering 7.21% discount. This one 4.63% discount, 10.43% discount. Look at this, 37.2% discount. Let's click this offer and check. We can sell him our bitcoins to get Walmart gift cards. Here we can add price and click buy now. But let's check him first. Here is his sell limits. 500 USD to 5500 USD gift card balance. He will accept your BTC at this price while it's down right now. You can see its current price on Google. Its current price is $24,492.50 US. So this is how Walmart gift card discounted price given by this seller. Positive feedbacks 39, negative feedbacks 0. Here we can read his offer term. Hello, I sell lots of gift cards. I'm looking for people who will keep buying from me and I accept all form of payment. Say hello when you open trade. Thanks. Here's physical gift card. Reserve Bitcoin for this trade and start live chat with 𝗥𝗲𝗆𝗲 1991. You can see the seller other active offers. Here you can see more details about the seller. It's compulsory to check details before purchase to avoid scam. So make sure to choose right sellers. Seller has old account 5 years old, it's more good. On new accounts, normally they offer less discounts. And when you will have that age, then you can get up to 50% discount. Once you checked all, have amount ready to purchase, just put amount Walmart gift card balance you need. Like this seller limit minimum balance of 500 US dollar. So I will write it here. You will just have to pay $304.88 US dollar for 500 USD balance. It's really amazing. Here's 3% 𝗥𝗲𝗆 escrow fee. When you will pay, this amount will go into escrow first, means once you receive gift card number and pin code, you can check and release payment to the seller. I don't have that amount yet because I don't want to buy it right now. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. I hope you got it. Here's one more method to buy gift cards. That is, you can create your offers. If you want me to explain 𝗥𝗲𝗆 create offer also, then please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely respond and will make video available within the next few days.
I hope you guys will like this informative how-to video. If yes, then please hit the like button, smash subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. If you do have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. 𝗲𝗆𝗆𝗲𝗏.